All right? See your IQ. Where is passive address?
Everywhere.
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 Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on the planet. Where is the office? The highest office. Sorry, do you have more people want to talk?
I want to talk now.
All right,
And
I have
come over
Griswinder.
there.
You want to come this way, please? All right. This man.
No, please say.
Thank you.
I will behind you every time. And guys, listen carefully. This man, Mr. Ash Mufara, our CEO, once told in earliest webinars, I think 2019, that he get strength from his family. He discussed with his family in way back in 2017 that we are going to make this thing onpassive, but he was refused by his wife that no, Ash, don't do this. But Mr. Ash, my brother, he told, no, we have to do. If we can't do, who will do it? And he started that mission. And we all came together, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, and I don't know, thousands of years are going to come and everybody will be here. So Mr. Ash Mufar, we believed in you in 2018, 2019, 2021, 2022, and the years to come. And yes, believing is everything. Just a single sentence, single word that believing is everything. Keep in your mind. Your family believed you. Okay? So many people told you so many things, but we believed in ourselves, in this company, and your parents believed in you. We get strength from our family. So keep respecting your family, keep respecting your elders, keep respecting everybody, every human being on this planet Earth. That is onpassive. That we are true founder in that, and we learn from Mr. Ash. Is my big, small, I think bigger and bigger brother. And yes, one thing more. Where is your office? It's in the top, Burj Khalifa. You can say proudly say, we are so proud. Our office is on the top of this world. Thank you, Ash. Thank you very much.
The highest office on the planet.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for coming from Canada, all the way from Vancouver. He had to drop his work and come here. All right, Mari de Garmo.